students. I'm Miss Meenakshi Dikshit, Senior Lecturer on behalf of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, welcomes you to the first semester of Diploma course. I'm going to teach you basic mathematics in first semester. So let's start with Unit 1 Algebra, and in that chapter number 1 Logarithm. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will able to recognize the concept of logarithm, convert logarithmic form to exponential form, convert exponential form to logarithmic form, apply the rules of logarithm, and also apply the change of base rule. This means students, after completing or after watching the whole series of logarithm video, you will be able to understand the concept of logarithm. You will be able to do the conversion from exponential form to logarithmic form, and from logarithmic form to exponential form. You also will be able to apply the rules of logarithm and also able to apply the change of base rule. Now student, the very first question in your mind is, why do we need to study logarithm? Right? The very first question, why this logarithm chapter? Where I am going to use this logarithm? Right? I am a civil engineering student. So while doing surveying, whether I have to use this logarithm, and if I use to this logarithm, then exactly where I have to apply this logarithm, right? Same question. I'm a computer engineering student. So in programming I'm going to use this logarithm, or programming is based on logarithm, right? These are the questions coming in your mind. Now, to answer all this question, let me ask you one simple question. And my question is, we all know that 3 square is 9, right? 3 square means 3 into 3, and that is equal to 9. Now, my question is, can you tell me the value of x if 3 raised to x equal to 10? Okay, listen carefully. My question is, find x if 3 raised to x equal to 10. Right? 3 raised to x is given as 10. And you have to find 3 raised to x is given as 10. And you have to find x. So now class, we all know that 3 square is equal to 9. And 3 cube is equal to 27. Right? Now the value is 10. So 10 lies between 9 and 27. Right? So x will be definitely lies between 2 and 3. Clear? 3 raised to 2 is 9. 3 raised to 3 is 27. And when I am telling you that 3 raised to x equal to 10, that means this 10 lies between 9 and 27. Okay, if 10 lies between 9 and 27, so that means x lies between 2 and 3. So 2 less than x less than 3. Right? So x is between 2 and 3. But what is the exact value of x? Can we find the exact value of x? Yes, we can. And to find this x, we have to apply the concept of logarithm. Here comes the logarithm. So logarithm is basically used to find the index, to find the x. Okay, logarithm is used to find the power or index. So from this we are getting definition of logarithm, and definition of logarithm says that logarithm is used to find the index or power. Logarithm is used to find the power or index. Okay, now there are two types of forms. Okay, writing a number, when we are writing the number either in log form or the other form is raised to form. This raised to form is known as a exponential form. So there are two types of writing the numbers. So one is exponential form and the other one is logarithmic form. Now exponential form is a raised to b is equal to c. A is what? A is base. Okay, A is base. B is called as index. Index. A is base, B is index, and C is called as a value. Okay, base, index, value. Now why exponential form? Because here B is in raised to, in power. Okay, so whenever number is written in raised to form, in power form, then that representation is known as a exponential form. So a raised to b is equal to c is known as a exponential form. Now to convert this exponential into log, okay, so to convert this exponential into log, we are going to apply the definition of log. And definition of log says that log is equal to, why we are using log? We are using log to find index, right? To find the power. So here power is b. So b, power is b. So b is equal to log of value. Value is what? Value is c to the base a. Okay. So log is what? Log is nothing but the finding the index, and index is b. So to find b, we are using log. So b is equal to log of c to the base a. Clear? Definition is clear. So class, first thing which you have to understand is what is logarithmic form and what is exponential form, right? So exponential form is written in the form of raised to. Whenever number is written in the form of raised to, then that form is known as a exponential form. And whenever number is written by using log, okay, in the form of log, then that is known as a logarithmic form. Okay, so अगर log है तो logarithmic form, if raised to is there, power is there, then that is known as a exponential form. Then logarithmic, why we are using this logarithmic form, or where we are using this logarithm? So logarithm is used to find power or index. Okay, whenever we are interested in index, index is not given, we have to determine the index or we have to find the power, then we are going to apply the logarithm. Okay, so very basic of logarithm is clear. So in next video we are going to discuss about the conversion. Conversion from exponential to logarithmic and from logarithmic to exponential. So class, we stop here. Then we will continue in next video. Thank you so much.